Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix missing microphone on keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on Samsung keyboard settings. After click on Samsung keyboard settings, and scroll down and click on voice input. After click on voice input, so if you want to fix missing microphone on keyboard, so click on Google voice typing. After click on Google voice typing, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix missing microphone to keyboard on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.